Hi everyone, this is Shivani here. Welcome to my channel Shivani Creations. Today I am going to show you how to create this very beautiful quilled wall hanging piece. Isn't it looking very nice? I will show you how to create birds, flowers, this hand cut cage, everything. And this is the sentiment, happy mind, happy life. So let's get started. For this we need some 3mm quilling strips, one floral brown color tape, floral wire, paintbrush, blue, pink and yellow acrylic color, double-sided foam tape, pink color half cut pearls, liquid glue, quilling tool, scissor, black color thick sheet and pattern paper. First I will show you how to create the cage. I have created this cage which measures 7 by 5 centimeters. So I am making one more cage but in little small size, that is 4 by 6 centimeter. So I have created this rectangle and I have marked on 2 centimeter from top and created one line. Now I am just making some design of cage and cutting it using my X-Acto knife. For the top of this, I have just cut this black color circle and punch it using hole punch. So cage is ready. Now I have created some bird patterns. If you want these bird patterns, I have given template in description box, you can download from there. Now I am just coloring these birds using some acrylic colors. done, let it dry for some time. I have quilled one bird using some yellow, orange and blue pink quilling strips. So I will show you how to quill the other bird. So I'm just taking yellow color strip and making loops one by one. Just increase the level of loop each time till the desired size. If you have finished with quilling strip, you can just join other strip with this. Just secure the end and pinch this petal and bend it. So this is done. In the same way, I have created some more petals using light blue, dark blue, orange and pink color strips. Now I will just join all these patterns according to the size and shape. So this is done. Now to create beak, I am taking one small piece of brown color strip and just making one small triangle shape. Now connect this triangle with the bird. So the cute bird is ready. In the same way, I will quill other two birds. So I have quilled all 4 birds. Now I will start cutting these birds using my scissor. Like this. In the same way, cut other birds. So I have cut all 4 birds and I have created the eye using black acrylic color. Now I will show you how to create these flowers. For this I am taking one strip of red color. My one strip length is 45 cm. So just create one tight coil, secure the end and pinch from both the sides to create the leaf shape. Now just create little dome using your fingers. Add glue inside this. So the petal is ready. In the same way, I have created 3 more petals. So just join all 4 petals with each other to construct the flower. For the center of the flower, I am using pink half cut pearl. So flower is ready. In the same way, I have created these flowers using red, pink and light pink colors. For the small size flowers, I have used half strips. Flowers are ready. Now I will show you how to create leaves. For this, I am taking one strip of dark green color and making one leaf shape. like this. In the same way I have created some leaves with dark and some with light green. Now I will show you how to create tree branches. For this I am taking one piece of wire, add little glue, and I will just wrap this wire using one piece of crepe paper. I am wrapping this crepe paper to just give it little thickness. If you don't have crepe paper, you can also join or wrap any normal paper or tissue paper. Now I am adding brown color floral tape around this. You can also use brown paper strip to create this. So the branch is ready. Cut excess wire. In the same way I have created large and small branches. Now I am taking this pattern paper which measures 24 by 24 centimeter, and I will start adding branches first. Now I will add these cages. So I have already added double-sided foam tape on back side of the cage. So just remove all the liners. And connect the cage. In the same way I will connect other cage. So this is done. Now I will start adding birds. So on the back side of bird also I have added double-sided foam tape. Now before adding flowers I am adding this handwritten sentiment, happy mind, happy life. So I have added double-sided tape on back to give it little 3D look. So connect in the left bottom corner, and now I will start assembling all the flowers and leaves around the branches. After adding all the flowers and leaves, the panel will look like this. Isn't it looking very beautiful? Now I am taking this black color thick sheet. This is a 12 by 12 inches black color sheet, and I will add our quill panel on top of this. So just add glue on back side of the panel. And connect like this in the center. Now I am adding some punched corners. These are paper corners in all 4 corners of the panel. You can skip this step if you don't have corner punches. You can add some half cut pearls to decorate the border. So the beautiful quilled wall hanging piece is ready. My project is done for today. Hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more interesting videos and please click on bell icon for the latest updates and notifications. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.